Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. Once again in this video I'm talking about the Vechain. Vechain, what's going this time in the Vechain? As you can see here, very shocked updated this time. Showing, as you can see here, the price since occur and the Vechain as negative friends. What's the reason behind that? A lot of people personally message me on Instagram that what's the reason behind that, why the Vechain fast down occur this time. So finally I decided to make a video for all my viewers, for all my subscribers, that what should we do at this time friends. So what's your prediction about this time the Vechain? Please tell me in the comment box, and friends click the subscribe button for more this kind of news and update friends. Anyways, let's start the video. First of all, as you can see here, the last 1 hour price change is positive and last 20 price change is negative and last 20 price change is also positive friends. That's mean that the last 1 hour price change but that the Vechain start again pumping. Again the jumping period of the Vechain starts now friends. Anyways, if you look, the last 20 price change occur in the Vechain. So as you can see here, that is why the last 20 price change is again positive, and the change is as positive 0.8% occur this time in the Vechain. And the high price of Vechain as 0.216943 USD dollar is the highest price of the Vechain. And this time, friends, absolutely it's a good time to buy a Vechain because at this time the Vechain again start jumping. I know the previous time of the Vechain as very bad, as you can see here at this time, but now at this time the again pumping time of the Vechain starts now. So it's time to take a pump, and my prediction about Vechain is very positive. What's your prediction? Please tell me in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel. I will update you every hour from a new cryptocurrencies news.